Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can allow others to story your reels on their Facebook pages. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage it but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your home page. And then in here, to continue, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page. You need to do is to simply scroll down and you will see here settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button beside it. And then in here, tap on the settings. And then as you can see, under the settings and privacy, we have the preferences and also the audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, we have here the reels. Simply tap on these reels. And as you can see in here, allow others to share your reels to their story. If you don't want it to allow, simply toggle the button. And if you want it to allow, simply toggle the button. Take note, if you create a public reel, anyone to Facebook can share it to their story. If you tag someone in any reel, they can share it to their story. Their story will include your full name, a link to your reel, and it will be visible for 24 hours. They control who sees it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to allow others to share your reels to their stories, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can allow others to share your reels on their stories, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.